Oregon Dunes, baby!
Baby, the Beaver State. Here we are on our third trip. Baby. Ready for an adventure. Let's hit it. Begins the trek down the coast. You ready? He's born ready.
One last call and I'm feeling drunk again.
We're going to record all these Oregon foods. Oregon food number 1, smoked salmon. Is this what we're talking about? 100% more. Anything you could ever want is here. Is the number we've all been waiting for. Cheese sampling.
Gotta love crab. And fish tacos.
In everywhere but
Johnny Knoxville, this jackass.
We just made it to Newberry National Volcanic Monument. Yes! A video rendition of Paulina Peak. It's happening. Are you doing okay?
I'm doing good, man.
Lava. We're on the Paulina Lake Loop Hike. Just looping around the lake, baby. That is some obsidian. Volcanic glass.
I'll carry it. Yeah, I'll carry it. And I'll carry it there if you carry it back.
Sounds good. Bring your backpack. Down the hot springs. Volcanic. Hot. What do you call them? Hot springs. Yes. Living our best lives. Alright, fam. Welcome to Smith's Rock.
My mind was running through the woods instead.
Most difficult. You think he can handle it? I'm not sure. He's tired. We're tired. Misery Rickshaw. A lot of misery had here. We're very scared about this. This is scaring us. Really?
Vagabond dreaming takes me.
We're not going to do that. We think we finally got the shot.
We got the shot.
This is the shot. The path less traveled.
100 miles an hour fast.
Subaru.
100 miles
Old school Subaru. Ooh. Subaru.
Our Subaru.
Here begins a grueling hike. I'm already fucking exhausted, but Alas,
Now look at
you're
you
not going to
when I
Canada,
see
but
my
somewhere
head.
to Mount Hood. Some people are
100
going
miles an
skiing,
hour in the
but
fast lane.
we're not. We're going up here.
100 miles an hour to the air.
He made it. Up we go.
My heart just beat like a Cherokee drum.
And we're back, baby.
And in the morning when the sun does come, 100 miles an hour in the fast lane. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane. 100 miles an hour till I'm done.
Overall waterfall analysis of Oregon. We've got Multnomah, best waterfall to feature on Instagram.
Yeah, sure.
Wakuma, best waterfall experience.
Yes.
And Bridal Veil Falls, overall best waterfall.
Heard it here first.
Yep.